a social media managing tools platform called Content Studio. So here is Content Studio. Content Studio is a platform that help you or give you an easiest way to manage your social media platform, and it also comes with some different key features, which is content discovery, social inbox, and analytic reports, which makes it more super efficient. And it also comes with a free trial and a demo, so you can just simply book for a demo. So in demo mode, you can practicalize all the key features to make it look like okay, what these features and platforms are about. So let's get started. What is Content Studio? So talking about Content Studio, or thinking of Content Studio as all in one social media command center. It is not just about scheduling posts. It helps to find awesome content and connect with your audience, and also track how well your posts are doing. So if you fall to this category, if you need an idea or you need a platform that can help you discover or give an insight on what kind of content you can make to reach out to your audience, this particular platform is for you. And here are key feature things you need to know about this website. So here's your product. So if you want to have access to that, just click on the product tab on the website, then you gain access to all these. Here are the key features you can stand to gain this platform. So one of them is the publish. You can plan and schedule your content with ease. Also gain AI assistance with AI generated caption, image, and more. You also analyze. You also have access to analyze and measure report social media KPI, engage, get access to support customers on social media and unified box. And also get access to the discover, which is the discovery mode that help you find and capture trending content that can help you attract your audience. Also get an automated you also get access to tools that help you automate your post, collaboration with your teams. The top features is also here you can see we have the normal features, then here's the top features, which is the workspace, the calendar planner, the bulk scheduling, the media library, the approval workflow, the client management, RSS field reader, then the competitors analysis, then automation, then white label, then the link in bio. You can also see all the features by click all the features. So from here, you can simply click and get access to all the features, which is all in one social media management. So let's get started. From here, which is the publish, social media publishing and scheduling. Create, schedule and manage your social media posts, craft content, and set optimal publishing times, and automate posting across all your accounts from one central hub. So what it means is that you can simply create a social media and publish and scheduling all of this in just a central hub. That is, you don't have to start navigating from one app to another, from one website to another to get things done. So right in a place in a central hub, you can get access to all your social media and publish on them, and also schedule your post on them. Then also get access to social media content calendar, which helps you with a live post review, versatile planning, a media library, and shareable calendar, which makes it super cool. And the AI writer as well, which helps you generate social media content and 10 times faster with AI. So this is the AI writer. So in this, you get to write a blog and hello to more a time for strategy, and the AI powerful top kit help you create and captivating content across all social media. Then you get access to all of these under the AI. You have the AI caption magic, the hashtag genius, the auto append emoji, the AI image creator, which is super cool. Then you also get access to which is the engage, which is help you have access to social inbox, manage all your social interaction in one place, no more multiple login. So you don't have to start logging from one particular social media to another before you can simply get an access to your social inbox. So in one place, you get an unified inbox, then you can have access to all your comments, your stories, and your reviews in one place. So that's it. That's how that works. So also we can say this, which is analytics, social media analytics, can turn data into actionable insights, track key metrics, and compare performance across your platform and generate insight reports to guide your social media strategy. So these features also help you with your analyzing your media or your social media data, just to make use out of it and get the most out of it, which is super cool. So those are the key top features that start again. Then the streamline teamwork, work streamly with all your team, assign tasks and share assets, and communicate within the platform to keep everyone aligned and productive. So this actually gives a collaboration or a team collaboration. Let me call it a team collaboration that makes you work with other different people within the app. You don't have to communicate using an external app within the platform. You can start to talk and negotiate and give works irrespective of their categories, and also get this, which is the discovery. So you can discover a trend content from the website. The website helps you generate a form of data from your previous data and will help you search for the most interesting trending topics about what your clients are interested about. So this makes it more easier for you and also get an approval of you. So let's check the pricing plan for this website to check about if they are affordable. So there's no free trial on this website. For this website, it is flexible and scalable pricing. So start from standard to advanced, then to agent unlimited. So the subscription is divided into two categories. You can make subscription based on monthly and yearly. So let's start with the monthly subscription. So for monthly subscription, you can simply pay about $229 per month, which is the standard. Then you pay about 348 bills annually. So just to keep this running, then you get another plan which is advanced. We pay nothing less than $69 per month, then about 329 bills annually, and you also start with a trial. Then the most popular plan, which is highly recognized, is also on agency unlimited, which is about $139 per month. Then you pay nothing less than 168 bills annually with a couple of wide range features which help you achieve your dream of being a profitable social media content. And also let's go back to the yearly plan. Then pay for the standard 19 per month, accumulate together to be 228 bills annually. They want to pay once, then advance for per year, pay about 249 per month, then accumulate 588, then the agency unlimited, which is 99, then pay about 1,188 bills annually, and you save up to 480 per year. Then get access to the provision of this. You can see that, which is super cool. Their pricing list is kind of expensive a little. It's just worth it. So that's it.